Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove text or watermark from your video. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we're going to use free online watermark remover. So you can go to your browser first and then you can search watermark remover for video. And I recommend you to choose this website, online video cutter. Okay, and you can choose your video. Choose the video that you want to remove text or watermark from. And for example, I'm going to select this video. Okay, and as you can see, there is a watermark on this video. And to remove it, you just need to select the text or watermark area. And then you can click on apply. And as you can see that the watermark has been removed. But yeah, I know that it's not perfect, but at least you can try this method to remove watermark from your video. Okay, this is the result. And if you want to save the video, just go to the export menu and select the resolution and then select export. You can also choose the format right here. Okay guys, and that's how you can remove watermark or text from your video for free guys. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.